The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 12:15 a.m. At 10:35 p.m., a line of thunderstorms was crossing Carroll County, Maryland, producing hail up to the size of quarters and wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, moving east at 35 knots. This line of thunderstorms will cross the following locations: Phoenix Shoal, Bush River, Wharton Point, Still Pond, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Susquehanna Flats, Turkey Point. Wind gusts of at least 50 knots. Large hail, locally high waves and dangerous lightning can't be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. This storm is producing frequent lightning. Stay below deck, if possible, and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, Charles County in southern Maryland, King George County in northern Virginia, eastern city of Falls Church in northern Virginia, Arlington County in northern Virginia, eastern Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, southeastern Prince William County in northern Virginia, southeastern Stafford County in northern Virginia, Prince George's County in central Maryland, Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, Howard County in central Maryland, eastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, Calvert County in southern Maryland, until midnight at 10:39 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were detected along a line extending from 9 miles north of Columbia to Crystal City to 9 miles south of Potomac Creek, and were moving east at 65 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and destructive winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Woodmore, Waldorf, St. Charles, Severn, Swan Point, Prince George's Stadium, Upper Marlboro, Southgate, the Comico River, Riviera Beach. This is a dangerous line of storms. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. This line of storms has a history of producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service